I'm Garima Arora Kannan, a social entrepreneur, motivational speaker, and a corporate trainer. Be the leader of your life. I'm not talking about the leadership in your career or your corporate job or your business. I am talking about how to lead your life, where you know what you want and why you want it, where you are clear about your values and you stand for it, where you see a long-term vision and act on it, where you bring your dreams to life and build on it, where you show up in every tough situation and face life head-on, leading your life in a way where you take decisions which are difficult, but you still do for your better future, where you get out of your comfort zone and act against your own will, where you stop doing things which do not contribute to your personal growth in spite of you being addicted to such habits, where you lead your life in the direction you want. Now that, my dear friends, is being the leader of your life.